Productivity is not getting more stuff done, is putting your energy towards the work that's going to give you better outcomes. Here is how to have the most productive day. The first step is to win the morning. It's cliche, but the morning is the most important part of the day, is the foundation. It's hard to have a productive day when you have an unproductive morning. For you to win the day, you need water, sunlight, and food. A lot of people do not like eating in the morning. That's how I personally don't like it, but you have to do what works for you. The other two are non-negotiable. You need water, you need sunlight. So have multiple glasses of water first thing you wake up. Try to get some sunlight, even if it's dark where you live. Step outside. Try to get some vitamin D in you. It's so important to start your day. Do not check your phone. Do not get any additional inputs. You need to, just like a plant, you need to focus on water and sunlight. Now, here's where it's different from most people. You might have kids, you might have some routine that you have to do, perfectly fine, but take some time to plan one meaningful output that day. So this is something that must go out. It's a non-negotiable. So you plan the thing and the time. So what is the thing? This is something that's a full output. It could be an email, it could be a social media post. It's something that goes out into the world. That must be done at a certain time. I like to put this before midday or around midday. So one meaningful output that must go out. It is non-negotiable and it must go out at this certain time. The next thing to having a productive day is having a deep work block. This is a specified amount of time where you have no distractions. You are locked in. Basically, no checking social media, no task switching. You are fully focused on this task. It's hard for most people. Start small, try to get an hour, but work your way to having 3, 4 hours in a day where no distraction. You are working on something more long term, but it's going to give you a meaningful output. So start with 1 hour. If you can work your way up to 4 hours, that's incredible. But every day, you need a deep work block, not a single distraction, just 1 hour focused on this task ahead. Your energy fluctuates, you get fatigued, things happen. So try to mentally block out a certain amount of time just for admin, chaos, whatever it is. So you want to block this amount of time. As weird as it sounds, you need to be intentional about relaxing. So this is before you go to bed. You want to make sure the hours before this feel relaxing. So it could be you reading a book, playing an instrument, just something that gives you dopamine, but also feels light. So no checking social media, no going from short form video to another short form video. It could be you watching a movie, just something that keeps you emotionally stable before you go to bed. That's how you have the most productive day. Win the morning, define one non-negotiable outcome, set a deep work block, give time for admin and chaos, have some relaxing time, and then go to bed. This has helped me build some structure in my day. I'm working on it. It's still not perfect, but I find that the more days I stick to this sort of schedule, the more consistent I am. It's completely different from everybody. This is just a broad analysis of what has helped me be more productive. If you like this way to time block, I'm building an app called Zendo. Sign up, test it in the link below.